Hello guys, it's been a while since I vlogged. So, currently just got off on the lake, but I kind of sucked at vlogging. So I just want to do like a backstory. So, it's the weekend and we just went ice fishing, so I'll insert some footage right here. And now we just got off the lake. I'm freezing. The ride back was awful with the snowmobile. It was so cold. So we're gonna go home and then we're gonna go grocery shopping and just have a chill night. And tomorrow's supposed to be a snow day, so I am gonna vlog for the whole weekend. I'm gonna try to vlog every weekend from now on. So maybe, I don't know when I'll try to get it up by. But I'll try to like make a set schedule so I get a vlog up every week. So yeah, we're gonna head out and go grocery shopping now. It's Sunday morning, we're making breakfast.
It's Sunday afternoon, we're making brunch. Not breakfast, it's a little too late for breakfast. Oh, yeah, I spilled some. That's okay.
So we have some waffles with chocolate chips and white chocolate chips.
Oh. Not enough.
And then we have bananas to put on top and some potatoes. This is the finished product.
Excited.
So
Potatoes
good.
are so good.
They really are.
Delicious. Now let's get eating.
Yep, we're gonna go eat. How is it?
So good.
It's literally so good.
Delicious.
And we're watching New Girl.
Okay.
We have a candle going. Okay, so it's been like a little over an hour. I look awful. I'm drinking my coffee. And we have been cleaning the house. So we've done laundry, dishes, put away clothes, clean the bathroom, all that fun stuff. So that's all we've been doing. What is this? So, yeah. But I thought I would show you guys a little bit of like my decor that I have up right now because I'm kind of obsessed. So, let's do that. So this is the first thing. This is on our coffee table. It's pretty much all Target dollar spot. I've had these flowers. I think they're from Michael's. But as you can see, like I just had them in a different pot and I just put them in this one. And I recently got this tray from Target with the bloom sign and I just put a little flower. And I just have this little candle. So yeah, I just have that on our coffee table. Okay, so this is our fireplace. I'll give you an overview. So over there I have a little basket thing from Target and then I have a little plant mister. And then the pink little container is from the dollar store and I just filled it with they're like pink rocks with a little fake succulent. And then I have this globe from TJ Maxx. And then this is just a little plate that I got from Target that I put in this house. And then I have this. So I just put a little fake plant on a little pedestal. And then up here. So we got those for free a while ago. That's from TJ Maxx, Hobby Lobby, and I just put this fake little plant in it. And then I have this basket from AC Moore. And this little metal heart is from Walmart. This is from TJ Maxx. Just a little greenery. And then I have this little floral arrangement. The vase is from the dollar store. And all the flowers are from AC Moore. And then I just have this sign from TJ Maxx. And then this Let's Cuddle banner is from Target. And then I just have some string lights. So then coming over here, We have this little side table, so I have a basket with blankets, and I just put that pillow on it, and then I have all of this at Target Dollar Spot except for the tulips, which are from Michael's. And then I have this candle that I got on clearance for like $3 from TJ Maxx. And then this tiered tray, and everything is from Target. So this is our like messy kitchen area with just the dishes, but Zach had the idea since it's a small space to put everything. So we just put nails on the side for our mugs and for his shaker bottles. And then over here, he did this a while ago. We have something that goes there. But just like some, I don't know, cooking utensils. And we have these mugs. This is my favorite part. And yeah, it looks better. We should put all the dishes away once they dry. So we've just been watching Fixer Upper for a little bit while laundry's going. So now we're just having some lunch. So it's just leftover pork and stuffing and pickles, and we're just watching Fixer Upper. So I'll show you when we do anything else interesting. We're making cupcakes. We need one more cup of flour. I'm letting the pro do it because I'm not good at it.
Insert it in the bag.
Two.
How many need? 3?
4.
Damn, these are supposed to be good for you.
No.
I know.
This is 2 cups of sugar. This is a half.
I'm just kidding.
That's why I'm doing 4. These are kind of more than 1/3.
Oh, it's supposed to be 1/3. I thought you said 2/3.
Oh, did I?
I don't know what you said. Just
Read the paper.
no, 1/3.
Well, we're gonna see. This is gonna take forever.
What?
Look
Baking
at
them?
Yeah. Look at how much batter we have left.
Yeah. Ooh, looks good. I'm taking a video.
Do it sideways.
That looks good.
Yeah. So they have the cream cheese in the middle.
Can't see that one. How was it? Ooh.
It's so good.
Mmm.
So good.
That's really good.
Yum.
Cheers.
These look so good. We did cupcake liners on these ones.
We put a lot more.
We're cooking dinner. So we're making a soup. It has deer sausage, carrots, onions, kale, cannellini beans or something. Cannelli beans.
Cannellini.
And chicken broth. And then we're going to add in
Ditalini.
And we have the Red Lobster rolls cooking in the oven. And it's going to be so good. We're just boiling this. And then we're going to add in the noodles. It's looking good.
That is so much soup.
Yeah, we always do this.
It's okay. Here's my lunch.
Yeah. Okay, so now just put it on all of them.
Doesn't really.
No, it's okay. Yum. Fixer Upper.